Elmak Ltd is a Polish electronics manufacturer, providing design and assembly services for electronic circuits since 1990. Our company's products are used in many areas, including the automotive, ventilation, lighting, and medical industries. Elmak is located in Rzeszów, Poland, a big academic and industrial center with direct access to expressways and international airport. Thanks to a team of electronics engineers and programmers, we create electronic circuit designs that meet the needs of customers. We specialize in LED lighting and various types of control systems based on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or data from environmental sensors. We also create applications for mobile devices. Close cooperation with the University of Technology allows us to use a modern EMC laboratory where we test product prototypes in terms of safety and compliance with international standards. Elmak provides a wide range of production services. Automatic Surface Mounting Technology (SMT), through-hole assembly on selective and laminar soldering wave, manual assembly, cutting and assembly of wires, and other operations at the customer's request. After the SMT assembly is completed, the PCBs are inspected using an automatic optical inspection and the X-ray system. After completion of all production stages, the products are functionally tested on specially prepared automatic testers. In the case of LED lighting, the correct operation and current consumption are checked for each diode. The advanced traceability system allows us to collect information about each production and quality control operation and about each component used in the final product. As a result, we can responsibly guarantee the quality and reliability of our products. After over 35 years of operation, Elmak Ltd can boast a strong market position and recognition not only among customers, but also among many scientific institutions, research units, and government agencies. We invite all companies looking for a reliable electronic supplier to contact us.